It is now. Have a seat. Give me a hug. Is that real? Is it outside on the whiteboard? Okay. So tomorrow is Thursday.
Oh. What?
I felt almost all again. Okay, I'm done.
See if I was on the board. The next meeting. Hold on to it. I'll take that in class, okay? Go ahead and have a seat. Ben, have a seat. Yeah, I'll have a seat. Yeah, hosting meeting is still on for tomorrow. Oh, they said it was canceled. Oh, they didn't tell me, huh? Unless you hear differently from me and on the board, I think it's still on. I'll let you guys know, okay? Or I'll make them submit another email to definitely notify if it's canceled or not. When was that sent? I guess it's canceled unless you're going to the Fall Leadership Conference. Good question this morning, Zeffirino. I gotcha. The hosted meeting is canceled for tomorrow unless you're going to Fall Leadership Conference.
Yes, you did. You missed a whole lot.
Presentation.
Marshmallows.
And you can have some if you look on the board and start reading.
Read
Okay.
it right, or do we just
You can read or write. I definitely want some discussion though.
some discussion?
Discussion.
Oh my gosh.
Notice I have marshmallows and candy up here. So if you participate, well, you can earn things. Earn things. And you're all very hungry, I know.
Is anybody in here allergic to peanut butter?
No. I have to.
Good.
Why?
Because I have peanut butter and I don't want to like kill somebody.
Come on in.
Well, I thought you were gonna get us this.
I mean, I have apples and peanut butter, so I can't.
I got a question on why there came back.
You can ask me at the end of class if you like.
It's right at me.
Have a seat, Hannah. Focus.
I got my answers.
Good. Glad.
Why don't you show the picture?
Because I have iPad.
Leave
And I have kids here. And I cannot leave them unsupervised.
Leave Serenity
In
in
my room.
charge. She is the most bossiest person.
I bet you can do well.
I work with her.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Same place?
Yeah.
Go ahead and read the questions and think about it. You don't have to write it down, but I want you to at least be ready to discuss. Oh, yeah? You hope so.
We'll find out.
What time is lunch?
And I was about to say, before I get asked, let me write the time for lunch on the board. I know you guys.
Well, big film.
I don't know. I was just there this morning, so.
No, that's not
We'll
true.
find out.
I saw you carry it. Yeah.
It's all good. I lie sometimes. It's okay. Everyone does.
Oh, sometimes.
Yeah. Only sometimes. Have the second bell rung? Yeah. Alright, who's not here?
Me.
Help me out.
Me. Alex. The other
Katie Jordan.
Daniel here.
Right? Katie.
Alex.
Alex. Oh, there's Katie. So Alex is the only one missing? I'm gonna take roll real quick and we're gonna get started.
Why is it recording? Look at this. Mine are better than your microphone. I have a full on more.
Great. All right. Welcome back to class. Hello. Welcome to intro.
What's up?
Go ahead and let me hear some answers. What two things lead to effective teamwork? Sebastian.
Good communication.
Good communication. Will.
Everybody doing their part.
Everybody doing their part. Hannah. Organization. Zeffirino.
Towards a common goal.
Working towards a common goal. You guys are on fire this morning. I don't know what you had for breakfast, but it was good. Christy. Tolerance, yes. Time management, Addison.
When you aren't patient.
Patience, yeah. Sean.
Being flexible.
Being flexible. You guys just listed all the soft skills off already, right? Evan.
Somebody already said communicating.
Yes.
Wow.
It's an important one, so we can hear it multiple times. Katie Morgan. Responsibility.
Don't hold grudges.
Don't hold grudges. Great. Evan again.
Work efficiency.
Fantastic. Wow. That was like 11 great things right there. Okay, I'm impressed.
Leadership.
What important roles for individuals to hold within a team? What are some? Bree.
Leadership.
Okay. Leadership. So that means a leader, right? What other roles can there be within a team?
Being able to follow your leader.
Being able to follow your leader. Evan.
Being organized.
Being organized. Now, we know leader, there's always a leader, right? That's a good role. What other roles beneath leader could there be?
Follower.
Follower? That's basically what everyone else is, but what other roles would you need fulfilled?
Like different roles.
Yeah.
Yeah, so which ones?
Is this for like a certain medical?
Could be that. Give me some examples.
Like time managers and business managers.
Okay, so someone that manages the time, schedules, a scheduler, sure. Three. Huh? Assistant. Okay. Hannah.
Treasurer.
Treasurer. What's another one?
Secretary.
Secretary.
Vice president.
Like somebody works in the computer and someone that actually does like
Sure.
actual stuff.
So maybe someone is a salesperson and focuses on speaking and meeting. Someone else crunches the numbers, right? So there's lots of different roles within a team. If you haven't noticed yet, today we're going over teamwork, okay? We have multiple activities for us to do today to practice your teamwork skills and for you just to learn more about it. Here are the objectives for today. Identify both components of teamwork, which you guys have already labeled, okay? Discuss common problems to solve dysfunction within a group. So be able to notice it and think of solutions. Apply 2 skills under communication and participation categories of teamwork. Formulate at least 3 roles within a team. And devise a strategy that clearly identifies 2 to 4 goals to a given problem that requires teamwork. So you're going to be prompted a lot today, all right? You've already labeled these. I was very impressed that you guys got this. You got a lot more, too, of soft skills. But if we're thinking of teamwork, you really can break it down into 2 categories. Communication and participation, all right? What is the difference between these? Marissa?
Communication is like talking and like understanding. And participation is like putting an effort. I don't know.
Who can help her out? Who can say what participation is? Evan?
Like what you do in the group, like what's your role?
Right. What's your role? Your input, right? So communicating is talking. Participation is more doing, right? Good. So, as a team, you obviously want to achieve goals. Squad goals, like Riel said, okay? I was hoping this would be, relevant to your generation. So, thinking of goals, what would be some goals, or how do we get to those goals in communication, and how do we get to those goals in participation? That's a hard question, huh?
What do you mean? Just tell someone to do it.
So, how do you get there? How do you know what the goals are? How do you get to the goals?
You gotta
You
get
gotta
told
set
goals.
You gotta set goals. Establish goals. Will we do that by doing?
No, you tell them.
You talk about it. You discuss it amongst the group. You use those awesome communication skills you've already learned. And then once you establish them, what do?
You do them.
You achieve those goals. Good job, man.
Oh geez.
Is this making sense so far?
Yes.
Good.
Good at.
All right. So the first subcategory of communication is verbal communication. This is where we obviously are speaking to one another, emailing, texting, on the phone, right? You can actually hear this form of communication. It's important, though, under this subtopic to be able to communicate clearly. If you speak too fast, you're not going to understand what I'm saying. Right? And I know sometimes I do that, and I apologize. I just get excited, okay? You also need to discuss the tasks needed for completion.